This is what Shabaka Stone is about. This is what spirituality before religions is about. It's about putting away all this okie doke fairy tale fantasy stories that don't make no sense to nobody, but everybody go along with it to get along. Well, I ain't getting along. I need ma'at. Give me ma'at.
Indeed.
Ma'at is a universal principle that existed in the beginning, before the beginning began. It exists now. Ma'at will exist forever. It is a universal principle that guides the universe. It is the path that we walk, and it is her mate, Tehuti, that keeps us on the path. Wisdom keeps you on the path, and the path directs you to the wisdom.